home prices, not interest rates. That should be the thing that keeps you in the buying or the selling market. Sure, rates are up, and absolutely an increase of even a half a point or even 1 full point on an interest rate, it matters to the monthly payment. But if we really break this down and we think about people saying that they're going to wait to buy, that's not the right answer. The reality is that our housing markets are appreciating still by 20 to 30%, depending on the zip code, year over year. And there's really no sign right now that it's even going to slow into next year or two. Hi, my name is Parker Couch with Homestar Financial. And in this video, I'm going to share with you why you should really consider buying a home in this current market. Now, let's just say someone decides that they want to wait to see if rates will drop in the next year before they actually buy a house. Let's say that they were planning on purchasing a $500,000 home. Now, if they decide to wait until 2023 to buy that $500,000 home, it's very likely that that $500,000 home next year, it could be anywhere close to $600,000. We're talking about a huge increase, and the increase in price will absolutely outweigh the increase in that interest rate. So yeah, the media, they want to scare everybody to death about the rising home loan rates, and they are a big deal. I mean, interest rates, they have gone up for home loans, and those rates were low because of a global pandemic, not a housing shortage. We still have a shortage of inventory. And if you're in the market for a house, you need to look for a house. Look, you can always change your loan term when you have equity, but you can't go back in time and buy a home at a lower price when prices have actually gone up. And again, they're not really expected to drop. So the bottom line is that we have a housing shortage. And in fact, according to an article in the Business Insider, May 20th, I think, 2022, the housing inventory continues to fall short of 1.5 million homes that are now needed to meet historically high demand. Just imagine if you had a chance to go back in time and buy a home during the 1980s when rates were in the 13 percentage point range. You'd still do it, right? Of course you would, because you know that the house would be worth so much more today. People need houses to live in, raise a family in, and to build equity in. And the good thing is that you're purchasing at today's prices, the 2022 prices. And sure, the interest rate might be a little bit higher, but like my dad always says, you marry the house, you date the interest rate. So I want everyone to really consider the benefit of using a market that's cooled off a little bit. Maybe you could have the sellers actually pay your closing costs, which can be 2 to 3% of the loan amount. Bottom line, there is an amazing opportunity for you to go out right now and get a deal on a home that will continue to appreciate in value for the foreseeable future. Thanks so much for watching. This is Parker Couch with Homestar Financial. My contact information is below. I'd love to set up a time to talk with you.